I'm Jordan, and that's Chris, and this is our bike check. Okay, I'll go first. To start off, I got flatware cufflink grips with Odyssey bar ends. Pretty good. I like them. Nice and soft. I have just a stock regular United brake. My bike is a 2012 United RN1. And starting with the front, starting at the top, I have just stock 8-inch rise United bars. I have a Sunday freeze stem, really nice, I like it. I have just stock forks, and I have a stolen rim with stolen spokes and a stolen hub. I have a stock bottom bracket. I have just a stock United sprocket. I have just stock cranks. I have Haro recycled pedals. I have just a stock seat. Getting a new one soon. Just a stock clamp. Stock brake. Bike's mostly stock, but I just have a regular United rim with United hub and United spokes. The tires are, I think, 20.10 United, just regular United rims, and that's basically my bike check.
My bike is a Black Eye Kilroy 2012 version. Everything's stock besides the flatware cufflinks grips, which are the same as Jordan's, but they're black. And they have Odyssey bar ends. They also have the Haro PC recycled, but they're clear black. And I have some dice caps. Everything else is stock. I have a stock rims, stock sprocket, stock chains, stock tires, which I think are about 20.25, and my bar rise is about 7.5 with a top tube of like 20.5.
And my top tube is 20.25. And that's basically our BMX check. We'll check out our other videos. We'll have more up on there. So yeah, that's us.
Thanks for watching. See ya.
And bike on, I guess.
Adios.